What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So here are massive updates and leaks that suddenly confirmed by a reputable source that the Huawei will present 4 flagship smartphones in the Mate 40 family, one of the most anticipated devices. This fall can be considered the flagship smartphones Huawei Mate 40. Despite tough sanctions from the US, the company has so far managed to maintain its position in the market. But the Mate 40 may become the last flagship smartphone of the company. There are rumors that their release was delayed, but a new leak once again refutes this information and reveals a list of smartphones that will be included in the Mate 40 series. Reputable Weibo account Peng Jun has arrived to announce the Huawei's new flagship family will include the Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro, Mate 40 Pro Plus, and Mate 40 RS Porsche smartphones. The record also says that the devices will be shown to the public in mid-October and will go on sale at the end of the same month. This is confirmed by the words of Yu Chengdong, CEO of Huawei, who assured fans of the brand that the flagship smartphones will be released without delay. In addition, we reported last week the Huawei has already launched an advertising campaign for new devices on UK social media. The Mate 40 series smartphones are expected to be based on the 5nm Kirin 9000 chipset, which could become Huawei's last flagship processor. Due to US sanctions, the base model of the family will receive a 6.67 inches curved OLED display from LG. The main camera module will be able to boast of 4 lenses, and the resolution of the main sensor will be 50 megapixel. According to another source, Huawei Mate 40 will quickly leave the market. Few will be able to buy it. It's all to blame for the limited supply of Kirin 9000 chipsets. Yes, Huawei has limited stock of Kirin 9000 chipset for Mate 40 series smartphones. Due to sanctions, Huawei can no longer order its flagship Kirin chipsets. The company previously confirmed that the upcoming Kirin 9000 SoC could be the latest flagship chipset from Huawei. The Kirin 9000 single chip system should be used in the upcoming flagship smartphones of the Huawei Mate 40 series. As it became known, by September 15, the Chinese technology giant was able to receive about 10 million Kirin 9000 units. Accordingly, approximately as many Mate 40 smartphones will be shipped around the world. Another report from Chinese sources says that Huawei has about 8.8 million units of 5nm Kirin 9000 SoCs in stock. That is, sales of the Huawei Mate 40 line of the smartphones could end in just a few months after the phones hit stores. There should be 3 models in the Huawei Mate 40 lineup: Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro, and Mate 40 Pro Plus. All of them will run EMUI 11 based on the Android 10 operating system, with support for some of the advanced features of Android 11. In the later, smartphones will be transferred to Harmony OS. Huawei is expected to host an online event next month to launch the Mate 40 series as well as the Kirin 9000. The launch in China is expected to take place in mid-October, with these smartphones coming out in Europe next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.